Hey everyone, Gil at Gray Man Prepping. Time for another unboxing and unbagging and unbagging. Yep, got a box and 2 bags. Alright, so let me pick the easy one here first. Okay. Let's just put one there, alright. But I gotta do it right. Okay, so back on one of the first lighting unit install in the staff sergeant's office, I had to borrow a special piece from one of the square ones, and so I ordered some replacement pieces for everything on it. So, because I know I'm going to wind up having problems elsewhere, so I got some replacement ones on that. And that is, make sure that is just one packet. Yeah, okay. And this one here is a, there we go. They got a pull tab here that should be perfect. So, on my computer, I have an earbud I use on the live streams and stuff, and it's just a little short, and so I got a short extension cable for it, and the one I've been using for the last year or two, 3 years, it's bending over and it's starting to fail and stuff. So I got a little 2-pack that was on sale really cheap, so I got a 2-pack of it. So that'll help for that and there. Now, this next one should be what's going to be going up here to replace this light fixture up here. Come on, there we go. Okay. First thing is another bag of these. I ordered them at the same time. When I put it in, I put 2, and instead of putting them in together, they set one separately. But I got that. What the heck? Oh, I got some 40-watt light bulbs for areas like over the sink here where I don't need to have bright. I just need a little bit of light right over the sink here. And I'm probably going to stick these in the, come on, brain, work. The mudroom there where I don't need to have the brighter lights and just need something there. So I got that for there. And, oh, that's interesting. Well, let's get rid of this box. And when I say it's interesting, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's kind of bent right here. Like it didn't get packed right in the box. It's bent a little bit on this side over there, on the other side as well. All right, so yeah, that is sticking up. Something definitely to get packed right in here. Okay. This is not what, it's supposed to be all white, and this is all, the paint's not on it right here. Let's see if both of them are that way. See, this other one looks the same way. If it does, I'm sending this one back. Yeah, I'm sending them back. Not what I ordered. Okay. Oh, that's it for now. So I got to send this one back, let them know, up wrong one. I wanted the pure white one, which is what I ordered. And they shipped a sort of like a breast that has had white wash rubbed on it and really ugly looking. So, all right. Well, I will see you around next time. Take care.